Traditional medical journals are slow, bogged down by outdated, manual workflows and long periods of waiting. Cureus is different. Our DIY submission process, automated formatting checks, smart matching algorithms and automations, and specialized editorial roles, submission, copy, and approval editors keep things moving. Where other journals stall, our technology and optimized workflows eliminate unnecessary wait times, so articles move forward quickly and efficiently. Our system automatically and continuously matches each article to expert reviewers using specialty and keyword alignment, ensuring the right eyes are on your work without delay. Unlike traditional journals, we don't set review deadlines. Authors can revise and move forward as soon as 2 journal-invited reviews are submitted, which motivates peer reviewers to act quickly if they wish to contribute. With a global editorial team and reviewers in over 60 specialties, Cureus operates 24/7. Once peer review and revisions are complete, our editors conduct a final review of each article, ensuring each earns its place. Speed and quality delivered through process and technology.